Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box if you're interested. So please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best latest artificial intelligence technology for tools for business. More information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out. Try button. I do not recommend, I only suggest investment online have a risk, so please research before them. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is onpassive? onpassive is an IT organization making center man-made brain power innovation devices for organizations. If you want to join, link in the description. What is GoFounders onpassive? onpassive, world's genuinely incredible and rewarding showcasing computerization. Furnished with the most appealing apparatuses, it is a wellspring of ceaseless riches. With its artificial intelligence, it ensures guests top advertising mechanization all accomplished for you. Is onpassive a fraudulent business model? onpassive is a global IT company that infers all the things and administrations are IT based and exist to assist people with succeeding their business. It doesn't have any kind of effect if your business is a standard square or an online business. Is GoFounders genuine? GoFounders is genuine and is without a doubt, not a trick, and it is 100% a demonstrated strategy for making autonomy and monetary progress. The presence that GoFounders has is across in excess of 100 nations across the world, with onpassive as an item-based organization manages. What is GoFounders about? GoFounders is an encapsulation of the web-based advertising industry, which helps a disconnected and online business to prevail by giving customized apparatuses and administrations intended for any promoting exercises. Debris Mafare established the organization in July 2018 to help the individuals who look for in the field of online business. I hope you all will really enjoy the video. For interesting videos of online learning and their tools, subscribe my channel and share the video, leave a comment if you like the video. This is basic introduction of onpassive. If you want to get more know about onpassive and their plan, leave a comment. I definitely make a video on them. Smash the bell icon for more updates. Research before investing. Do not invest without proper knowledge. I only suggest, not recommend. Good luck.